Imagine every word you type instantly transforming into natural, human-like speech, with multiple realistic AI voices to choose from, all generated in real time. Listen to this.
Hey, how are you, Bay? This is a fast it could be.
Not only you can hear it, you can use this tool to voice call someone using VB cable. No complicated installation, no extra setup. Just download the portable version, follow along, and you'll be using realistic AI voices for voice calls in no time. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Well, let's see how you can get it and use for voice calling. Click on portable link in my description to download this. Also check out other tools all in portable forms. You will get a Google Drive link to download main zip file around 5 GB. Once downloaded, unzip it with 7-zip extractor only. Go inside extracted folder there. You will see Start Portable NVIDIA file. Double click on it. That's it. At voice calling tool will launch. Copy the URL you will see and paste in any browser. Allow to use your microphone. That's all, no installation needed. To use it, first choose voice you want this tool to sound like. Choose input device as VB cable output. Click on Autostria and click Start.
Enter your text here and click Start to instantly hear the Vibe Voice Real-Time TTS output audio.
Now type text. When you stop writing in real time, this will speak your written text.
Thank you for watching. You can use this for voice calling.
To use it for calling like on Instagram, choose your microphone as VB cable output. That's everything you need to get started. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.